The Paragon series set the standard for KVM switches when first introduced in the early 1990s. It was the first Cat5 enterprise-class KVM switch to support thousands of servers at distances never achieved before. The Paragon II earned its place in the hearts of IT managers across many industries. Now, nearly 25 years later, as crucial components are no longer available for the Paragon II, we have to reluctantly discontinue the sales of these popular products. Introducing the Dominion KXIII, Raritan's flagship KVM product. The Dominion KXIII with IP User Station is the replacement system for Paragon customers. The Dominion KXIII delivers all that Paragon II could plus more. The Paragon II uses Cat5 cables to connect users to servers with an overall 1,000-foot distance limit. The KXIII is an IP KVM switch with no distant limits and delivers local and remote access with its optional user station. The Paragon user station connects to a single Paragon switch and can only display a single server at a time. The KXIII has a powerful IP-based user station for high-performance access, achieving 30 frames per second and 50 milliseconds of latency for 1920 by 1080 video. The Paragon II, due to its older analog architecture, lacks many modern KVM features. The KXIII is a modern IP-based architecture that supports virtual media, high-quality audio, and smart cards, delivering increased productivity, performance, and security. The Paragon II only supports analog VGA video. The KXIII supports digital video formats such as DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort, in addition to analog VGA. The Paragon II provides security via a closed network without encryption. The KXIII delivers military-grade security, meeting government and military security mandates including AES and FIPS 140-2 encryption, Common Access Card authentication, and IPv6 networking. Welcoming the KXIII to your infrastructure can provide huge advantages with greater IP flexibility, improved productivity, superior performance, military-grade security, and the highest available reliability. The transition can be simple with Raritan support during your upgrade. To make the transition even more promising, for a limited time, Raritan is offering a trade-in promotion for Paragon II equipment in exchange for discounts on new KXIII switches and user stations. Our sales professionals and support technicians are standing by and will guide you to ensure your new configuration meets your organization's needs. Get in touch today to learn more about how you can start taking advantage of the KXIII. Sales of Paragon II switches and user stations will be discontinued on December 31st, 2017.